In this video, I will walk you through a detailed, true Nutra Lymphatic complex review by comparing it against standard detox supplements on the market today. When looking at this 6-in-1 formula, the primary contrast lies in its targeted approach to lymphatic drainage versus generic digestive aids. While many competitors focus solely on gut health, this product stands out by utilizing a blend of burdock, dandelion, kelp, and cleavers. The standout feature here is the multi-benefit promise, aiming to reduce bloat, balance cortisol, and promote skin vitality, all in one go. In terms of trade-offs, the price point sits at $28.99 for 90 capsules, which is a mid-range investment for a vegan and non-GMO supplement. This option wins for users who specifically need systemic detox support, rather than just a simple prebiotic. It has clearly gained some traction recently, with over 600 units bought in the past month, and a solid 4.1-star rating from dozens of reviewers. If you are looking for a comprehensive full-body detox that goes beyond basic vitamins, this specific combination of ingredients offers a more specialized path to wellness. Whether you are dealing with water retention or looking to clear your skin, the inclusion of traditional herbs like burdock makes it a strong contender in its category. Thanks for watching my breakdown of this complex. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more supplement reviews, or leave a comment below sharing your favorite detox routine.